Hi guys, it's Miss Angela again. It's Monday. I hope that you all had a great weekend with your families and that you all just got to spend time outside. Today we are going to be unloading the dishwasher. So I'm going to start with opening it up. I like to do the bottom drawer first and then the top. But what I'm going to do personally is separate where I'm going to have things put up in our cabinet. And then we'll go from there, y'all. So in my bottom drawer that we have in our dishwasher, I have a pan, some plastic plates, some glass plates, we have some plastic cups, a cheese grater, and then we have all of our silverware. So I'm going to start with taking out my pan and setting that aside, and then all of my plastic plates. I have 4 here that I just slid out all together, and then I have 2 glass plates. And then I have a bowl, I have a cheese grater and our colander, and then I have our plastic cups as well, and then another plastic cup. That this one actually has a lid that goes on top of it, and that's on my top drawer, so I'm going to set this aside, and then I have all of my silverware. And so I'm going to start with the silverware and then come back to organize the second drawer. So I'm actually going to move y'all to where y'all can see. We're going to go right here. And this is our silverware drawer. So I'm going to start with pulling out all of my knives, just to keep them all the same. And if y'all, I don't know if y'all can see this, but I have 2 different types of knives. One is a little bit more pointy and one is rounded, so I'm going to separate those as well. And so I'm going to put all of my rounded knives in, and then I have a spot back here for our pointed knives. And then I'm going to pull out my spoons next, and you can do this in any order that y'all want. And as you can see, I also have 2 different size spoons, and so I have 2 different areas to put them as well. So I'm going to put my big ones together and my small one with the rest of the small ones. And now I'm going to start pulling out my forks. So all of these forks are, I think we have all of our small ones are together. These are a little bit bigger as well. So I'm going to set my big ones down over here. That way I can get hold of those in a little bit. And then I have a spatula, but this spatula actually goes in another drawer across the kitchen. So I got all of my big forks out, and I'm going to put those in the big fork area, and then I'm going to finish getting out all of my small forks. So I'm going to move y'all again. Put y'all back up here, and then since I'm done with my silverware caddy, I'm going to put this right back where it was in the bottom drawer, and I'm going to go put my spatula up in the other drawer that it's supposed to go in. Okay, so now that I have my bottom drawer of the dishwasher all done and emptied, I'm going to start on this top drawer and do the same thing that I did and separate all of my dishes into the different areas that it's going to go. So I have some other containers, and these containers actually have lids, and so I'm going to put my lids together with my containers. I have a bowl with a matching lid as well. I have some big utensils. And these are my only utensils that I have that couldn't fit in our caddy, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in the drawer where they're supposed to go. And then I have some small bowls, and some more plastic bowls. And I got a pizza cutter. And then I have my lid for that bottle that I was talking about earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and screw that on, that way I don't lose the lid whenever I put that up in a little bit. And then my dishwasher also has another top area, which I don't think there's anything on it, but you always want to make sure that there's nothing else on that top area if you have that, just to be sure that you have everything out of your dishwasher and that it's all clean. So then we're going to close our dishwasher, and then I'm going to go from here and put all of my stuff up. So how my family does it, we have, like, our pizza cutters go in this drawer over here. And then we put all of our baking sheets and pans in this area. And then we have a specific pantry area for our glassware, and so I'm going to go put that up now. And whenever I put all of the glassware up, I ended up separating it because we have different piles. So we have a big plate pile, a little plate pile, a big bowl pile, the little bowl piles as well. So I separated that, how we have it organized in our counters. And then we put our cheese grater and our colander for my family together in another drawer. And then our containers that have lids, like our round containers, I always snap the lid back on, and then I put them away, that way we don't separate the lids. Alright, so now that I have left is going to be our cups and our plastic bowls and plates, along with some what are they called? Some like to-go containers as well, and all of those stay in the cabinets that are right over here. So I'm going to move y'all's angle again, that way you can see where I'm putting all of those. So we're going to move y'all right here, and for us, we put all of our cups together, and then I have my shaker bottle that I also put in here. And so you just want to find out where your family stores everything, and you want to put them in the right area. So for us, we put all of our cups up on the top, and I put my shaker bottle on the bottom. And I'm going to do the same thing with our plates and bowls, because we keep our plastic plates and our plastic bowls right here as well. And remember, if y'all don't know where things go out of y'all's dishwasher, you can always ask your parents or your siblings on where they go in your house. Questions are always good things, and it's great to always ask them. So my last thing is going to be my to-go containers, and I have the drawer for that over here. And that's it. I finished unloading my dishwasher now. And since we have some dirty dishes in my sink, I'm going to go ahead and reload those, but y'all don't want to watch that. So I hope y'all have a great day, and I hope to see y'all soon. Bye.